I'm currently at Michael's craft store. I am so not used to recording in public, so we'll see how this goes. But I'm just looking for wooden canvases because me and my friend are going to be making art and putting them around Austin for free so that people can find them. And it's just like a cute little scavenger hunt kind of thing. So I'm currently in the canvas aisle trying to find some wooden canvases. Honestly, pretty lost. I have no idea where they keep the wooden canvases. Let's see. I have some wooden stuff over here. Okay, there's no canvases over here. I have not found the canvases yet, but I do need white paint. I want to do a little bit of a haul of what I got from Michael's. So I had originally went there to get wooden canvases for the scavenger hunt that me and my friend are going to be doing around Austin, but they only sell wooden canvases online, so I ended up just getting these mini little 5x7 canvases. They come in a pack of 2, and so I got a total of 6 canvases for the scavenger hunt that we're doing in Austin. And then I got some copper leaf. I usually use gold leaf, but I decided to go ahead and get this copper rose gold kind of look just to try it out and see if I like it. And lastly, I just got some white paint. I run through bottles of white and black paint like crazy. I should have actually gotten a bottle of black paint as well, but I just didn't think of it while I was at the store. So I'll probably have to go back to the craft store sometime in a couple of weeks to get a black bottle of paint. But that's it for the Michael's haul. I am all dressed up and ready to go because I'm hanging out with George and John today. We are probably going to be doing some more home decor shopping for George's bedroom makeover. So I will take you guys along for that, and we will get some more home decor content soon. I would like to show you guys George's room once it's all put together, but I'm just not sure when he will finish it. But I do want to show you guys how it looks when it all comes together. I will keep you guys updated once George and John pick me up. No, this is really cute though. Yeah, for throw pillows.
Yeah, so it's gonna be for my throw pillows and my blankets. I can just put it in there and it's gonna be like queen.
Yeah. I think, let's see, this brown one is cute. This like cream gray kind of color is cute too. Or this one. This one's really cute.
How much is it?
19. It doesn't matter how much this bench costs.
Whenever you're rich, if you're like me, like you don't need to know what the price is.
And because you need it and it matches your aesthetic. So put it in the cart.
There's no price tag, so I guess it's free. Let's go.
This chair is perfect.
Dude, oh my god, that.
This chair is everything. So I got some new business cards. My old cards just aren't really my aesthetic anymore. I tried to go with something that kind of matches my new designs. So as you can tell, honestly, this card is really cute. It kind of matches this art piece. I just went for a cream beige front and then a black, not true black, a little bit lighter black for the back side, and that's what I wrote on it. So I just wanted to do something a lot more minimal, a lot more timeless, so I don't get super tired of the design so quickly. If you watched my last vlog, you probably recognize these charcuterie boards. I am doing a final layer on top of these guys before I send them off to their new homes. I always do multiple layers on my ocean pieces. I will never ever only do one layer because adding 2 layers, it just adds depth and dimension and character, and it just adds a more realistic ocean vibe when you do more than 1 layer. So that is what I'm doing to these guys right now. I use Mas Epoxies to create my art. In this video, I'm using the ArtPro resin, but I just ordered some tabletop epoxy to try out in my next video. Keep you guys updated with which one I like more. But if you are a new resin artist or you're somebody who's been considering trying resin art for the first time, I definitely recommend Mas Epoxies. Click the link in my description down below to try them out. You want to take some product pictures? She wants to take some pictures of these charcuterie boards. Today is Saturday, so this is usually when I clean up my studio and get ready for the week ahead of me. I'm actually going on vacation starting Tuesday, so it'll be good to come back from vacation to a clean studio. So I basically just took everything off my desk, sanitized and disinfected my desk, and then reorganized all of my stuff back on top. After I cleaned up my desk, I went to all of the mess that was on the floor. So I'm picking up styrofoam from packaging, my hot glue gun, and just little pieces of trash that were just on the floor. Then I moved over to my main studio table where I make all of my big pieces of art, and I just started cleaning it up, getting all of the resin out of my cups so that I can reuse them, and basically just picking up everything that wasn't in use. Then I moved over to my smaller studio table, which is usually only in here in the summertime because that is my busiest season, and I just recovered all of the cups that I can reuse and threw away everything that was unrecoverable. Finished up cleaning by vacuuming the floor and reorganizing my triangle shelf with the paints and all of the inks and pigments that I use the most. Once my studio was cleaned, I went ahead and packaged up some orders, and in this video I'm actually making a reel at the same time as I'm packaging, so that's why my phone is in there and I'm constantly taking little pauses in between clips.